Hello everybody, Ninten110 here, and yes, I know this is the first time you've heard from me probably in a really long time. I know I haven't been active on YouTube in ages now, pretty much. That's all simply due to the fact that, well, number one, I've got a job and I'm working a lot more hours than I was, previously, back when I used to make videos pretty frequently, but also, you know, I'm mainly only active in terms of social media on Facebook now. Me and my boyfriend are the admins of a Facebook robotics group called Lots of Bots. I highly recommend you guys checking that out if you haven't already. But anyways, of course, enough self-advertising for my group. Sorry, that was pretty rude. I'm here today to show you an unboxing of a new robot called Squeaky. Of course, Squeaky is a robotic dog, but the difference is, Squeaky is not your average robotic dog. Squeaky is a balloon dog. Yeah, that doesn't really make any sense out of context. But the thing is, so, those little balloon dogs, the little squeaky rubber toys that you would get that were made out of rubber or latex that, pretty much you'd get them at a fair or a carnival or the like when you were younger. They were just a bunch of balloons twisted together. They would last about, 3 or 4 days, and then of course they would deflate in your room and they'd have to be thrown away. Well, the good thing about Squeaky is, he's made of plastic, so he doesn't have to be thrown away. Well, I mean, hopefully not at least. Squeaky is a robot that I've been really excited about getting for a long time now. And I planned on being the first owner in the United States for a long time as well. Simply due to the fact that when I saw it revealed in the February 2020 New York Toy Show, I pretty much knew that I had to have it. Because, I mean, come on, it's a balloon dog mixed with a robotic dog. And of course I love robotic dogs, and balloon dogs are pretty charismatic as well. They're pretty awesome. So I kind of knew that I had to have it. And I was getting kind of worried about when this thing was going to be released because, since February we really hadn't heard a single thing about it. There was no reviews on YouTube. I could not find it anywhere in the United States, in stores or online to buy, so I was like, well crap, it's really not going to exist, is it? Finally, about a month ago, I heard that it was going to be released in the UK, which is great. But that would mean I wouldn't be able to buy this thing in the United States. Thankfully, my good friend Phillip came through, and I pre-ordered the robot the day that it was released, and he imported it for me from the UK because it's only available on Amazon UK right now, along with a few websites that I believe probably buy them from Amazon and then resell them. But yeah, so he has not been released in the United States yet, but they do plan on doing that soon. He is made by Moose Toys. I actually messaged Moose Toys a few days ago to see if they had any plans on releasing this guy in the United States. Yes, they do, but they don't know when that's going to be yet. So, if you really want one, you're going to need to buy them from Amazon UK, which is where I got mine. Anyways, I've been waiting long enough for this, so how about we get this guy opened up and see what he can do? Alright. So as you may know, this is my first unboxing video besides some that I made for Pokemon cards years ago. So if this isn't perfect, believe me when I say the later ones that I'll make will be a lot more perfect. Already having technical difficulties. There we go. Oh boy. Not exactly sure what that is. Oh, that's where his paws went in, I guess. Alright. Yep, I was right when I said he was made of plastic. Which actually is a good thing, because that means he's not gonna, like, actually deflate and have to be thrown away. Alright, little fella. How am I going to get you out of this? Cool beans. I know, it's not 2012 anymore. I still say that anyway sometimes. This won't hurt a bit. Cool. There we go. Alright. Squeaky is free from his cardboard prison. Woohoo! Look at that cute little fella. Alright, and in terms of batteries, oh, it doesn't say on here what he takes. I'll have to open up those battery compartments and see. But first, let's get all of his accessories out, and then I'm gonna read everything on his box to you guys. Oh, jeez. Alright. Oh, that's concerning. Alrighty then. Well, that was easy. Cool. Love it. Also, you may notice the adorable little balloon dog print on here. I think that's a really nice detail to add to the box. Kind of reminds me of the drawings that were on the box for the Zoomer Playful Pup, and a few other more modern robots. As you can tell, I don't really collect modern robots very frequently. Like, I do own a few of them that I found in stores for cheap, but I mainly tend to collect older robots. I have a big collection of silver robotic dogs and cats. Just old ones from like the 90s, 2000s and such. They're just my favorite ones to collect. And I'll have, of course, an entire video showcasing the shelf with the complete collection on it. And I'll have videos of every single piece of the collection uploaded to my YouTube eventually. Whenever I get the time, of course. Alright, there's Squeaky. Cute little fella. There's his, oh, well, yeah. There's a little pin. Didn't plan on hanging any pictures up on the wall, but you know, I can use that if I really need to. Then there's that. If the dog doesn't make those actual noises, I will be disappointed, because that definitely sounds like Squeaky to me. Alright, anyways. Now, on the box, not really much to see here, just a lot of blurbs talking about all the things this fella can do. You know, the typical box that a toy comes in. Alright, your interactive balloon best friend. Meet Squeaky, the electronic balloon dog that's inflated with personality. He'll wow you as he comes to life, just like a real pup. Feed him, tickle him, even pop him with his pin, and watch him deflate. Train your doggy by squeezing his squeaker toy or inflate him with his pump. Squeaky will blow you away with all the tricks he can do. Oh, alrighty then. And there's the instruction manual that I forgot to get out. Guess I really need to get that out, don't I? And that's everything. Cool. Alright. Once again, special thanks to my friend Phillip for importing this fella for me from Amazon UK, because believe me when I say I wouldn't have been able to do this without him. Alright, I'm going to read this instruction booklet really quickly, and then I'll cut back to putting the batteries in the pup. Alright, I've got everything that I need to get this fella up and running. Hopefully these batteries are still good and not dead, because that would suck if so. But I'm pretty sure these are all nice. So it appears he takes 2 AA's in each paw. And it also appears that the batteries go in very similarly to Mio Pup, a robotic dog that I had as a kid, and of course still have to this day. Multiple of them now, but you know, it was a piece of my childhood. Anyways, gonna get these batteries in, and then we'll turn this fella on and see what he can do. Alright, I've put his batteries in. Also, I noticed that actually on his belly it says, well, let me turn on my phone's flashlight real quick. Hello, phone. There we go. It says UKCA, meaning this is a unit meant to be sold in UK and Canada, which is pretty interesting. Alright, well, let's see here. How do I wake this fella up? No, seriously. What do I need to do? Okay, there's a power switch. That's nice. Well, let's see then. Alright. I can pet him. Oh. Alright, it says something about I can pet his front paws. I mean, that's pretty much noises that you would expect a balloon dog to make. Oh, that's adorable. Alright. Wait, I want to pet your paws again. Aw. Alright. Okay, it does say he responds to voice. Good boy! Squeaky! Squeaky. Okay. Alright, it says you can feed him with the pump. Thank you for doing like that. Okay, I didn't ask you to pee on the floor. Jeez. That's just rude. I mean, you literally just got here and you're already peeing on the floor. What kind of little sweet electronic balloon dog does that? Jeez. Alright, so I fed him and he peed on the floor already, and he's rolling over. He seems very excited about that. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, it's gonna kill me to do this. But it says you can pop him. Do not use a standard push pin or other sharp objects. Sorry, guys. Now, that was pretty cool, Squeaky. Nice job, little fella. Alright. So, I'm just gonna... Sorry. Now, how do I get him back up? Alright. There you are. Better not pee on my floor again. Now that's even worse. Alright. Okay, it said I can do something with this. Oh. What does that do? Okay. 1 squeak will make him sit. 2 quick squeaks will make him beg. 3 squeaks will make him excited. Okay. Alright, that was 1 squeak, so he sat. Alright, that's 2 squeaks, and that makes him beg. 3 squeaks. Wait. Okay, so maybe he just wants me to pet him. There we go. Okay, 2 squeaks makes him beg. Wait, why are you sitting? Alright. Hey. There we go. Now he's begging. Whoa, okay then. Alright, and 3 squeaks will make him really excited. Cool. Alright. Then it says he can also go to sleep after a few minutes, apparently. And yeah, that's just a few of the things you can do with Squeaky. It's a pretty interesting little fella. Whoop. Oh. Squeaky? There we go. What are you trying to do? Oh, okay, you think you're sitting. Alright, yeah, you're sitting now. Alright. Woo! This little guy is actually really good with movement and such. I mean, he doesn't appear to get stuck or anything like that, which is great. And he actually is pretty realistic to a balloon dog. Whoops. Say goodbye, Squeaky. Alright, everybody have a nice day, and I hope to see you all again soon.